Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start now by verifying the essentials. Check Cs2 file integrity in Steam and update your GPU drivers to the latest WHQL build so compatibility errors drop. Once done, run both Steam and Cs2 as administrator to avoid permission blocks, and disable overlays like Steam and Discord because they can prevent the console bootstrap. You do these steps first because many console failures come from file corruption, driver conflicts, or overlay hooks interfering with the input focus and startup. Next, you apply the detailed fixes. Add console to Cs2 launch options to force the console to initiate its startup, and then check the in-game key mapping so the console key is actually bound. If the key is missing, bind it to your preferred key and save. Also open config. CFG and search for entries that override toggle console or bind console to an unusable key. Rename or remove conflicting lines and restart the game so a clean config can recreate defaults. Finish by testing a normal startup after cleaning configs. Remove temporary launch options, then create a fresh user config by moving config. CFG out of the folder so CS2 regenerates default settings. If the console opens now, copy custom binds back carefully. Make sure to restart your PC between major changes so driver or permission edits fully apply. If problems persist, try launching CS2 from a different OS user account or perform a clean reinstall. That isolates corrupt user data versus system-level issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.